Newsbreak.
Samtang City Administrator Rotisa Grace Cuano, nagpabiling officer sa NABPLO, Mindanao. Nagpabiling opisyal sa National Association of Business Permits and Licensing Officers for Mindanao, si Usami City Administrator Rotisa Grace Cuano. Ang public service ni City Administrator Rotisa Grace Cuano sa Usami City Hall, gipahibalo atol sa flag raising ceremony ni adtong Lunes, Nobyembre 17. Nasayran nga si Ms. Rotisa Grace Cuano subling na nominate og napili isip Vice President for Mindanao sa NABPLO o National Association of Business Permits and Licensing Officers sa ikaduhang higayon. Ang gihuptang achievement ni Ms. Rotisa Grace Cuano sa ikaduhang higayon miani og pagdaig sa mga city official, labi na ni Mayor Sam Norman Go Puentes nga nakadungog sa maong pagtimbaya sa host department sa host department sa ulahing flag raising ceremony.
We proudly extend our warmest congratulations to Ms. Rotisa Grace A. Cuano, our dedicated city administrator, for being re-elected as the Vice President for Mindanao during the 8th Annual Convention of the National Association of Business Permits and Licensing Officers or NABPLO for the term 2025 to 2028. The convention was held from November 10 to 14, 2025 at the MICE Convention Center in Diliman, Quezon City. Thank you, Ma'am Rotisa, for bringing honor to Usami City. Your LGU Usami's family is very proud of you. Congratulations again, Ma'am Rotisa.
One TV Newsbreak.